Hello everyone, this is Neeraj Paul from LPM Public School, Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Once again, students, I welcome you to online classes. Students, as you all know, we are studying chapter 10, that is angles and value conversion. Yesterday, I have made a video on this chapter. In that, we have covered two topics: available blocks in AI Connect and angles. And after that, we have already studied about running turtle, left and right, and we have also discussed about the steps to turning a turtle. Now today, in this video, we will learn about draw a square, draw a triangle, what is a circle, designing a half moon, values, types of values, integers. Okay? So first topic, draw a triangle. Okay, students, triangle is a three-sided closed shape with three lines and three angles, just like this. To draw a triangle in AI Connect, students, you have to follow some steps. First of all, you have to open AI Connect, and then you can see on your page number 114 there is a picture. You have to follow the blocks to create this type of draw in AI Connect. Such like this, draw a square. A square is four-sided line. Okay, and it has 90-degree angles. Okay, students, a square is a four-sided polygon which has its all sided equal in length, and the measures of angle is 90 degree. To draw a square in AI Connect, do the following coding and click on the run button. You can see the coding in the figure, page number 114. Now the next is, what is a circle? Students, a circle is a equally rounded closed shape made up of curved line. The center is always at equal distance from the shape of edge of shape. That distance is called the radius. Let me draw a circle. Students, look this. This is circumference. This is the center point. Okay, center point, and this line is called radius. Okay, now there are many different methods to draw a circle. The easiest way is to use a single motion block as shown in figure page number 115. Now the next topic is designing a half moon. Students, you can also draw a half moon through AI Connect. To create a white half moon with black background in AI Connect, do the following coding and click on the run button. Coding you can see on the page number 115. Next topic is value. Students, what is value? In computer programming, variables are used as empty boxes that we can name and assign a value to use as subject in our code. As all things are different from one another, to store our work, we use different methods similarly. To store different types of value, different variables are used. The value that can assign to a variable can be anything from a measure of its weight, height, length, or its number. Count, to even its color, a question, a response, or some other property of its nature. These all are values. Got it? In programming, variables are used as empty boxes that we can name and assign a value to use as subject in our code. As all things are different from one another, to share our work, we use different methods. Similarly, to store different type value, different variables are used. The value that we assign to a variable can be anything from a measure of its weight, height, length, or its number, count of even its color, a question, a response, or same other property of its nature. This is called values. Now the next is types of values. Students, since anything can be a value for a variable, there are few set of types of values that help us define that they represent. The following are the types of values that we can enter in coding, such as integer, whole number, positive number, negative number, including 0, as it can be both positive or negative. They can be used to show increase or decrease of a variable. For example, just temperature, sea level, speed limit, etc. Integers you can use as values. Next is float. Float is also a value. Float are numbers that are written with a decimal point in them. For example, 3.4 minus 4.32. Such types of data you can write using float value. Now next is Boolean. Boolean kind of variable have only two values, true or false. We can verify any kinds of statements or condition in a code using a Boolean command. We can verify any kind of statement or condition in a code using Boolean command. we can give our code a direction, as it can be programmed to act differently for different outcome. Users can check for condition and let the code to act automatically. Next value is string value. Students, string value are a sequence of one or multiple characters like alphabet, number or symbols. They can be used to declare names, addresses or description of variables. Any character or set of characters under quotation mark is considered as a string. Now the next topic, that is input block in AI Connect and output block and command. This topic I will explain in my next video lecture. Till then, students, goodbye. Thank you for watching. You have to study this chapter at home. You have to read each and every topic of this chapter, and then you have to explain yourself. Okay, and the next video I will explain in my next video lecture. Students, till then, goodbye. Thank you for watching.